Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Yeah.
How did you see the game, my brother?
Okokuqala Hotman igame beyinhle. Pirates first 10 minutes they attack.
Yes.
Ayinikezanga isikhukhune i-chance at all. Enye ngiyithandile i-changes ezenziwe nguWadu.
Yes.
uWadu ubonakalisa i-team yakhe uyayazi. Whichever player ifakayo uyazi ukuthi uzomenzela umsebenzi.
Yes.
Introduction kaZulu kula center back i-majority beyothukile because abamazi.
Yes.
But thina ke lesinokumbona kwi-Richards Bay umnandi umfana.
Sure.
And namuhla akathukanga udlale igame i-normal game yakhe. I-composure. So bengabonakala ukuthi uyaqala udlala noSiyema kule game which into esiyidingayo kwi-team athi umdlali uma efakiwe aphakamisa isandla azibonakalisa ukuthi uyadeserve kwa-Pirates.
So what is your message to those who are saying since Tito Maswanganyi is gone, Murelebuyile Mufokeng is gone, Pirates is not going to be that exciting team?
I'm not agreeing with them.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates has a lot of young talent.
Yes.
I can mention few of them.
Yes.
We have Mulai, umbonile ufakiwe namhlanje.
Yes.
Sibonile i-glimpses ukuthi kuyenye good players. uMasilela naye umnandi usadinga i-game time.
Yes.
But omunye umuntu engicabanga ukuthi uzoshayela makadlalisa umfana lo uMpopa Jimmy. uMpopa Jimmy if uyakhumbula kahle betravel ne-team waye Netherlands.
In Spain.
Netherlands.
For EGC. Okay.
Uziprovile pha ukuthi i-best player wamanager ukuthi akore 3 goals.
Yes.
So mayingabuyisela kwi-team azodlala kwi-wing.
Yes.
Azizokuthe team adlale kwi-wing. Then siphushe wapolisi number 10.
Number 10, yes.
Number 10 wapolisi ngicabanga ukuthi angayenza iPirates i-TK